Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from powder. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need the powdered mix, very cold milk or water, and a clean mixing bowl. An electric mixer is essential for the best results. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delightful, fluffy topping every time, perfect for any dessert. Now, let's combine everything. Carefully pour the powdered whipped cream mix into your chilled mixing bowl. Next, add the specified amount of very cold milk or water. Starting on a low speed, gently mix the ingredients together. This initial step helps to prevent any powder from flying out of the bowl and ensures a smooth start to the whipping process. Once combined, increase your mixer's speed to medium-high. Continue whipping the mixture steadily. You'll notice it gradually thickening and becoming airy. Keep going until the cream forms stiff peaks, meaning it holds its shape firmly when you lift the beaters. This usually takes a few minutes, so be patient for that perfect, fluffy texture. Your delicious whipped cream is now ready. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately over your favorite desserts. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for a day or two. Enjoy the light, airy, and sweet addition to your treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.